Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about what is Trevi and how Trevi can be implemented in my Jenkins pipeline. Trevi is a open source container image scanner. We can scan your container images and file systems and Git repositories, as well as if for configuration issues. If you have any configuration issues, like a deployment YAML file, we can scan that. And Trivi can scan your infrastructure as a code like Terraform, and you can scan Dockerfile, and you can scan your actual OS packages and application dependencies. Example, like Node.js has a npm application, we can scan that also. Okay, quickly I will go through what is the installation of the Trivi. So Trivi can be installed in two ways. It can I specified how it is installed in the Ubuntu. These are the steps can be involved to install in Ubuntu, or you can follow these two steps also. So the same installation steps is followed in Debian and Ubuntu. If you are using RHEL, it is different again. I will specify official Trivi installation in the description. You can follow this particular link. Okay, and so let's say I will go to my server and let's clear screen. Just we can say this is like security, guys. Security tool. We can say security tool for scanning your container images. So let's log in into server. I will show how it is, how scanning is happened in the CLI. Then afterwards, I will show how it can be implemented in the Jenkins pipeline. So before scanning, what are the things required? We need to install Docker in your server as well as Trevi. Okay, let's say without Docker image, we cannot scan. Okay, Docker images. I'm showing here with the Docker images. Okay, Docker image. Let's say I want to scan this particular Nginx image. Okay, let's say Trevi. There are a lot of Trevi commands are there to scan your images and configuration repository, like config. Let's say I have on some set of files, deployment file and Docker file. We can scan that particular config repo also. Let's say Trevi image, give that particular image name, Nginx. Sorry. Okay. It scanned an Nginx image. I will go through what is, it has lot of things. So we can see this is a library and vulnerability ID and severity and install version and fixed version, and it is a description what was the issue. And so you can see severity, and severity it is showing like severity low, medium, high, critical, will say. And you can fail the build based on severity also. If it is severity is high, and we can fail a build, but it is not suggestible. Let's say I have like today, maybe sometimes CV issues will be lot of issues. Sometimes CV issues will not be fixed. So it is not suggestible to fail the build, but it is there is an option like we can fail the build if it is in Trevi, and in Trevi there is a file like exit code. With the help of exit code, we can fail the build. Okay, now how it can be implemented in the Jenkins pipeline. So I am going to API configure. I will explain the flow of pipeline, how it is happened. So here I am specifying selecting the branches and application name. Okay. Application name is UIF, and I'm specifying the image name as the environment variable. And first stage is I'm cloning the repository and building Docker image. Here Docker build, using Docker build, you can build a Docker image, and this is the variable I'm specifying. In the current directory, I want to build my Docker image. Okay, image scanning. So Trivy image, and I'm passing now the variable of the image, $image name, where I specified in the initially at starting environment equal to. So I'm scanning that particular image and redirecting to one particular file, like example, like redirecting to scanning.txt file. So in that particular file, we our image scanning report. So this file can be attached to the email also with the help of email extension plugin in the Jenkins. We can configure email notification and we can attach this particular file, and we can specify the body of the email like image scanning report and which to whom you want to send the email, that particular image scanning report. So let's build this. I'm selecting my name and master. I'm building Docker image, and afterwards scanning the image. Show in console output how it is happening. Yeah, it is scanned image and sent an email. Let's check an email. This is my email. This is the image the scanning report. I have attached it to the email. So we can open here and we can check this is the image scanning report. So this is how, guys, and this is the Trivy part, and it's just simple, straightforward. It is easily can be implemented. And why scanning is it is for security purpose. Before pushing into the Docker Hub, or it can be any Artifactory repository, we need to scan the image, and afterwards we can push to the Docker Hub, or it can be any other Artifactory repository like Harbor. Okay, these are good. Thank you, guys, and